Guys, you know, the work that we do is so good that I actually thought that these calipers came from a factory like this, but my guys did these calipers today and they banged them out in less than 4 hours. Look at the color match. Look at those calipers, man. They are freaking beautiful. Look at that. Man, that is freaking awesome. We put the Corvette logo on it. I just knew that we did the wheels in black and we did the calipers in blue. So if you want your car to stand out, you want some custom work, mywheeldoctor.com, Houston Wheel Repair. Guys, I'm telling you, man, I really, truly thought that this car was done from the factory. We did those calipers. Look at that. Look at the craftsmanship. Look at the quality. There's no overspray nowhere. I mean, it's badass, man. It looks great. It looks fantastic. So guys, custom painted calipers, bring them to us.